Hello, everybody. This is Kina from Superinks, an ink factory since 2002. Today, I want to introduce a very useful toolbox list. If you are an engineer, everyday job is doing the technical support for customers for their digital printers. You want to solve the problems or give support to customer for the printer and the ink. Today I want to introduce a tool list. You may think that it's useful. This is the experience during our visit of customers and during the time we solve problem for the customers. I know that for a distributor, you will offer technical support to your customers. The guy who do technical support need this kind of tools. Number one is the cleaning wipers. This is 100% polyester double knit. This is a wiper. It's like a tissue, but this kind of fabric will not make dusty while you wipe the print heads. We know that, for example, if it is a print head, when after printing, when go back, sometimes we need push the ink to clean. At this time, the engineer, the supplier will suggest you to wipe with a fabric. Some customers, to saving costs, they will wipe with a tissue. If we wipe with tissue, the dusty from the tissue will block the print heads. So we need this kind of 100% polyester double knit. It will not offer the dusty and will not block the print heads. This is number one. For the same function, the number two is same function but different tools. Some customers may think that if one fabric wipe once or twice and then you throw it out, it's waste. So we use this kind of tips. This kind of sticks. You will use this soft fabric to wipe. So this is a second tool. For the third one, this is a flashlight. It's okay. This is a flashlight. When you print and nozzle check, you will get the black YMC. You will get these colors. You want to see if each nozzle working or not working. So in this way, when you print big square of the yellow, for the person's eye, it's not easy. It's not easy to clearly see, but with this flashlight, when you see the yellow, it will turn the color, turn to other colors, so you can clearly see the yellow. So this is flashlight with blue lights, and this is chargeable. You can use this cable to charge. This is the third tool. And the fourth tool is a pen. You may write down what time is the nozzle check printed. You may write down anything. And the last tool is a syringe. A flip, a tube. and a blue strong clean liquid. These photos were used only when the printhead was blocked. When you print the nozzle check picture, there are missing holes or missing nozzles, a lot of missing holes, or you print of barcodes, there were missing lines. In this situation, not only one or two, a lot, and cannot clean out by push or by normal clean liquid. So in this way, you clean the whole printhead with normal clean liquid, the one you normally use, until no ink can see when you purge. And then you use the syringe, connect the tubes. You don't need to so long, maybe cut this 10 minutes, 10 centimeters, okay? And then connect to the syringe. A little bit hard. If you cannot connect, may use hot water to connect. And then use this flip to stop. This is hose stop flip. Use this flip to stop the tubes, not here, on printheads. We know that on the printheads there are 3 tubes. There are 3 income and outcomes. One income and another one for air balance, and the outcome is the spraying nozzles. So we have to use this hose stop flip to stop the 2 tubes, income tubes and air balance tubes. When you stop tubes, the tubes go through, and then you push. In this side, middle side, the tubes were stopped. The liquid cannot go through. To stop the tubes on the income and air balance of the printheads, to avoid any liquid leaking, because the printhead is a electricity board. Any liquid will damage the electricity board, will damage the printheads. So when you've done this, you cut this, and then use this syringe and the tubes to absorb the liquid, the strong clean liquid, and then gently push to the printheads, and then gently absorb, suck, and push and suck to use a strong clean liquid to clean the printheads. And the number one important is that only when the printhead is blocked, you use this strong clean liquid. And I'm not sure every blocked printhead can open. Happens, maybe can open or maybe not. And only professional, very gently, because when you strongly push or strongly suck, the printhead nozzles will be broken. So this is a toss. Okay, total 8 product tool lists. If you are an engineer, do you think that these tools are useful for you?